Tendons.
Huh?
Is that good?
Okay, once those gloves are on, go ahead and do a tender check. Every single thing that your diver put hands on, you will also put hands on. To include making sure that that black neck pad on the very back bottom of the hat is good and in proper orientation. If it needs to be adjusted, adjust it for your diver.
You want it against the neck? Or
No, take your hand. You should be able to fit your hand in between their neck and that neck pad and just barely touch the neck pad. If it's too far back, slide it forward. If it's too far forward, slide it back.
There you go.
Every single thing he put hands on, you are also putting hands on. There's other stuff that he touched that you did not touch. So you're giving him less air by doing that.
Soup, dive check.
Soup check. Come on, three-man, broker. Call for your bailout drill. Bailout. Don't touch that. Call for your bailout drill.
Topside. Put some side of food. Let's put it in there for bailout drill.
Bleed it down.
That's the call for soup check. Oh, I need a soup check. 5.
Roger, stand by. That's it.
Topside. Side of food. Bring that bailout. Press the wings. Good.
Oh. What else? What else? Restore. Restore.
Move this foot in there.
Dive 3-man air in short.
Secure EGS and ventilate, ventilate.
Secure EGS and ventilate.
don't pass out. I've seen it a lot, so.
Call for your pneumo drill. Pneumo. Did he say 5?
You said 5.
You are not 5. Okay, no. Open up 5 first, pneumo. Open up pneumo 5 first. Now pneumo supply, get that to 40 feet of seawater. Get it up to 40 and leave it at 40. Once you guys get it to 40, get your hands off the supply. Hey, when we increase pneumo pressure, get it up to be between 70 and 80 feet of seawater. Then secure their main air. Secure their main air. Rack operators, tell them what you're supposed to tell them.
Back 5. You go pressure down to 3. Main air secure, ventilate.
Watch those LP gauges. When those gauges read 0, rack operators, you're supposed to tell them something.
Back 5. Secure your vent.
That was good security event.
Good job.
Restore their main air.
Back 5. Main air restore. Ventilate.
Secure pneumo. Close it. Tell them pneumo secured.
Back 5.
All right, hey tenders, back up. Okay, we're not gonna take your gloves off. Pull pins. Once the pull pins are open, go ahead, tell them to open up that yoke. Once that yoke's open, tell them to pull down on that orange tab. If they're struggling, tell them to open their free flow. It makes it a little bit easier. If he struggles, if he's not struggling, then don't tell him to do it. Tell him to make sure that it's free in the front. Is it free in the front?
Yeah.
All right. Before you guys take the hat off, tell them to secure your main air.
Back 5.
Okay, once your air's secured, grab this side block with your right hand. Grab the yoke with your other hand. Straight up, hand it to the tender. Tenders, let them know when you got the weight.
Got the weight.
Sweet. All right, guys, good job. Let's go ahead. Close those yokes, tenders. Leave the gloves on so we get practice taking everything apart with our gloves on. Close those yokes, lock the pull pin. Do not set the hat on the deck. If your diver takes a step backwards, he's going to take that hat for a ride with him. You stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, divers, go ahead and reach back. Close your bailout bottle. Go away from your ass. Go away from the ass. Once we've done that, go ahead and crack open your free flow. Bleed everything out of your main air. Tenders, hold those hats up so their divers don't bend over. Rack 1, rack 2, turn the speaker off on the comms box. Free flow, not EGS. Free flow, free flow. Okay, once you have bled down free flow, leave the free flow open. Now grab that EGS, open that EGS, and it should happen in about a second and a half. There you go. If it takes longer than a second and a half, then that means that you probably left your bailout bottle open. Okay? Once your SPG reads 0, then you guys can secure both of those valves. Disconnect that QD from the pigtail. Make sure that that QD ends up over the pocket, not dragging on the deck. Take that pneumo, unroute the pneumo from your harness. Okay, take that carabiner, undo it, leave the carabiner on the umbilical. Okay, drop the umbilical on the deck, take one big step backwards, careful not to trip. Okay, tender, set the hat on the deck. Divers, go ahead and pop that neck dam off. Tuck your chin first, push the neck dam straight up. Hand it off to the tender, set it on top of the hat. Divers, start taking your strap.